A very good morning, students. In this video we will discuss the chemical properties of a amine. This is your last chapter and last topic in which we will discuss all the chemical properties of a chapter organic compound containing a nitrogen of its chemical property. And chemical properties of a amine, firstly we will discuss the reaction of amine with electrophile. The first heading is the reaction with the electrophile, and this heading, the first reaction is reaction with transition metal ion. Like ammonia is NH3. When we replace the one H with R, it form a amine. So we can say amine form coordination complex with transition metal ion like silver, copper, iron, etc. You know very well, in a chapter coordination compound, you do the formation of a coordination complex. In that chapter you are using a one ligand, that is a amine, NH2. Here R NH2 is a functional group in which we will discuss the property of that amine. So that amine will be taken as a reactant, and that reactant when react with any transition metal ion. If I am taking a copper ion, तो कॉपर आयन तो आपको पता है बेटा वो इन्वायरमेंट में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग अ सॉल्ट ऑफ इट, इट इज अ कॉपर क्लोराइड. तो व्हेन दैट अमाइन रिएक्ट विद दैट कॉपर क्लोराइड, इट फॉर्म अ कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड. और हाउ कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड इज फॉर्म्ड, यू नो वेरी वेल. इन अ कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड, फर्स्ट द मेटल इज रिटन, then if I am taking a R, instead of a R I am taking a CH3 is here. This is a methanamine. Then that CH3 NH2 is 4 times, then coordination compound is closed and Cl2 ion is formed. This is a coordination compound. How we know this is a coordination compound? Because that is written in a square bracket. First is metal and the second one is the ligand. That ligand is a methane amine, or you can say methyl amine, which will be act as a donor in that coordination compound, and metal is act as a acceptor, which form a coordinate bond with the ligand. How that coordination compound is formed, in which that metal is a central atom and that joined by this 4 ligand. In which geometry? In a coordination geometry, in which in a square planar coordination geometry. Then 4 coordinate bond is formed because its coordination number is 4, or here the 2 Cl2 positive is joined, and this is a coordination compound. And the first chemical property of an amine, the reaction with the transition metal ion, the amine react with metal transition metal ion to form a coordination compound. This is the first reaction, and the second reaction is a alkylation. What do you mean by alkylation? The addition of an alkyl group. And this type of a reaction you have done in a Hofmann ammonolysis reaction. In this, first is amine is taken. That amine is react with a haloalkane to form a secondary amine. This is a primary amine. Then that primary amine react with a haloalkane in which both R is same. You can take the same R or a different R. If I am taking a different R, then we put a R dash, then one H of that amine is replaced by R group. That one H is replaced by this R dash group, and H and X is removed as a HX. Then secondary amine is formed. Then again this secondary amine react with again haloalkane, in which R is again different. I put a double slash, react with this, then the H, then the third H of that amine is also replaced by a R then this is a tertiary amine, or H or X is removed, and this type of reaction is called a alkylation because we are adding a alkyl group in a amine. And first, in primary amine we are adding a one R. R is a alkyl group, that's why it is called alkylation. Firstly, the primary amine is changed into a secondary, then tertiary, and at last if we do again alkylation, if I am using a triple RX, I am taking a R different. You can take the same. If you are taking the same R in each case, then we can put a RR. Then what product is formed? Then quaternary salt is formed. This is a quaternary ammonium salt. In that reaction, one name is given, that is a exhaustive methylation. What its meaning? When we take R is a methyl group and we are adding methyl group again and again, this is called a exhaustive methylation. As the name indicates, the addition of a methyl group in a amine is called a exhaustive methylation, and all the H of the amine is replaced by methyl group. And the next reaction is the acylation. Next is the acylation. The addition of acyl group. Acyl group means RCO group is called acylation. This is the amine group. The acyl group we can take from an acid chloride. This is the acid chloride. H from amine and Cl from acid chloride is removed in the form of a HCl. And what happens? That R C double bond O and that side is joined with NHR. What product is formed? This is a N substituted amide. Why it is called N substituted amide? You know the formula of that amide. The formula of amide is RCONH2. When the H of that amide group is replaced by a R, this is called a N substituted amide. So the acylation of a amine is take place by this way. Next is the reaction with aldehyde and ketone. This is the amine and this one is the, you can write like this. This is the aldehyde group, and that when that H is also replaced by R, then the ketone is formed. What happened? The H2O is removed here. Then R N double bond C H R. This product is formed. This product is called a Schiff base or called a anyl. Is that clear? And this is also called a an-imine. An-imine means ene plus amine. That group having a double bond plus amine and represent the amine group. This is the last reaction in the heading of a reaction with an electrophile. This is a reaction with chloroform. The formula of chloroform is CHCl3 and this is called a carbyl amine reaction. Very important reaction. As the name indicates, in which the formation of a carbyl amine group take place, the symbol of that carbyl amine is a NC, or you can say isocyanide group is formed. Isocyanide का UPSC name क्या होता है? Carbyl amine. What happened in that reaction? The primary amine is react with chloroform and alcoholic KOH. When we do the heat, then that is changed into a carbyl amine, KCl, and water is removed. We will balance that reaction. After balancing, we got that equation, or in that equation, the alkyl isocyanide is formed, or you can say alkyl carbyl amine is formed. This is a very important reaction. You can see the example of it. If instead of a R, I am taking a 2 carbon. Then this is the ethylamine. When that ethylamine is react with chloroform and alcoholic QH, that R group is replaced by CH3CH2, then NC plus KCl plus H2O is formed, and you can say ethyl isocyanide is formed. From ethylamine we can prepare the ethyl isocyanide, in which a same number of a product is formed. Clear? This is all about the chemical properties of amine, in which we will discuss. We have discussed the reaction with the electrophile, and the next miscellaneous reaction we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.